Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing the exact location and eliminating variables. Clean the surface with isopropyl alcohol and let it dry fully so adhesive bonds. Next, measure and mark the center and corners using masking tape to create alignment guides. This prevents crooked placement. Position the sticker face up, peel a 1/2 of the backing along the top edge, then hinge it on the tape guides so you can see alignment. Once satisfied, press the exposed edge down to anchor the sticker to the car. Now you apply the sticker using deliberate, small motions to avoid bubbles. Hold the sticker taut and peel the backing slowly while simultaneously squeegeeing from the center toward the edges to push air out. Make sure to keep alignment with your tape guides and correct drift immediately. It's easier to adjust early. For door curves or recess trim, warm the adhesive with a hair dryer on low and form the vinyl gently so it conforms without creasing. Continue until the entire sticker is adhered smoothly. Finish by firmly squeegeeing all edges and corner seams to ensure full contact. Then remove the tape guides and trim any overhang with a fresh utility blade held at a shallow angle. Let the adhesive set for 24 hours before exposing to heavy rain or washing so it cures fully. If you see small bubbles, use a fine pin to vent the air and press flat. If an edge lifts, warm the area and press or reapply. This one troubleshooting tip fixes most adhesion issues quickly, so the sticker stays put.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.